Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change theme in Spotify application. So how to change theme in Spotify application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Well, here it is on the main Spotify display. Before changing the theme, here we have to add the Marketplace menu. We cannot buy or change the theme. How to? We enter the browser on our computer. Type Spotify in the search. Well, tap Spotify. Well, here a display like this appears. Select Install Now. Well, it will enter the selection menu like this. Well, here we adjust our laptop OS. Here I use Windows. In the Windows section, there are two codes. Copy the first code. And then enter the Windows PowerShell. Well, here a display like this will appear. Paste the code, and tap Enter. Well, here we wait for the download process. Well, it's finished. Next, go back to the browser. Copy the second code. Then enter the Windows PowerShell. Well, here will appear a display like this. Paste the code, and tap Enter. Well, here it's finished. Back to the Spotify application. Well, here in the upper left, the Marketplace menu icon has appeared. We can tap. Here there are several options in the Marketplace. Select themes. Well filled, there are many choices of themes that you can use. Scroll down for more theme choices. Here I choose this theme. Well, in the theme section that we choose there is an install icon. Tap Install. And then tap Reload Now. Well, here the theme change process has been completed. Well, we can see the theme has been changed. So that's it. Tutorial how to change theme in Spotify application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.